Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great and you all are completing your work on time. Children, today we are going to start chapter number 14, Adjectives, and this is part 1 of this chapter. Let's start. Children, as you have learned about adjectives in your earlier class. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. Let us know more about adjectives. See page number 40, chapter number 14, Adjectives. An adjective modifies or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. For example, Kavita is a pretty girl. I have 10 fingers. So children, in these two examples, the word pretty and 10 are adjectives because these words tell us more about Kavita and fingers. Look at these sentences, children. I have a beautiful doll. Rita is a good dancer. My brother gifted me a red dress. So the words beautiful, good, and red give more information about the doll, Rita, and dress. So such words are known as adjectives. And adjectives are usually placed before the nouns. See the first sentence? I have a doll. So doll is a noun in this sentence. And before this noun, an adjective is used, beautiful. Second, Rita is a good dancer. Dancer is a noun, and before this noun we have used an adjective good. My brother gifted me a red dress. Red dress is a noun, and before this noun we have used an adjective. So adjectives are usually placed before the nouns. Adjectives tell about the quality, quantity, number, or order of the noun that it describes. Let's talk about adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity answers the question how much. Adjective of quantity mostly describes uncountable nouns. For example, there is little water to drink. In this sentence, children, water is an uncountable noun and before this noun, the word little is there. Little answers the question how much water. So little is an adjective and it is an adjective of quantity because it answers the question how much water. Little water. So little is an adjective. Let's see adjective of number. Adjective of number answers the question how many and it describes the countable nouns. For example, I will be absent for 3 days. What is the noun, children? Days. And it is the countable noun. And before this noun, I have used a word 3. 3 answers the question how many days. So 3 is an adjective and it is an adjective of number. Adjective of number also answers the question in what order. For example, I stood in the third row. So the word third shows an order. So the word third is also an adjective of number. All cardinal and ordinal numbers are adjectives. Cardinal numbers means children 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And ordinal numbers means first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Ordinal numbers are those numbers which show the position or order of things. Some adjectives are used with countable as well as uncountable nouns. For example, I have some dishes. So, In this sentence, children, dishes is a countable noun. And before this noun, I have used the word some. So, some is an adjective in this sentence. I have some food. In this sentence, children, food is an uncountable noun. And before this noun, I have used the word some. So, some is an adjective also in this sentence. An adjective used with an uncountable noun is an adjective of quantity. For example, I have some food. Food is an uncountable noun. And before this noun, I have used an adjective some. As the noun is an uncountable noun, so this adjective will be an adjective of quantity. An adjective used with a countable noun is an adjective of number. For example, I have some dishes. In this sentence, the noun dishes is a countable noun. And before this noun, I have used an adjective some. So, some is an adjective of number because it is used with a countable noun. An adjective usually comes before the noun. It describes or modifies. For example, this is a huge palace. So, the noun is palace. And before this noun, I have used an adjective huge. But it is possible an adjective can also be placed after the verb also. For example, the flower is beautiful. Here in this sentence, beautiful is an adjective because the word beautiful describes the noun flower. The exercise A, which is on page number 40, underline the adjectives in these sentences. Now children, you have to find out the adjectives and underline the adjectives. Number 1, the printer has run out of colored ink. Now in this sentence, ink is a noun. And what kind of ink? Colored ink. So color is an adjective in this sentence. Number 2, we saw a beautiful sunset from the hills. Sunset is the noun. And what kind of sunset? Yes, beautiful sunset. So beautiful is an adjective. So like this, try to find the adjectives and underline them. Okay children, see page number 41, exercise B. Put a noun after each of these adjectives. Now here adjectives are given, you have to put the nouns. Number 1, a slimy dash. What do you mean by slimy children? One who is polite and friendly in a way that is unpleasant because it is not honest and sincere. So here I have used a noun salesman, a slimy salesman. So like this, put a noun for these adjectives. Exercise C. Write adjectives used to describe the weather in these blanks using clues given in the bracket. Now children, here you have to use the adjectives which describe the weather and the clues are given in the bracket. See the first one. It was dash and Manisha felt cold. So the word starts with letter W. See in the bracket. You have to fill the missing letters also, and this adjective starts with letter W and ends with letter Y. So the word is windy. It was windy and Manisha felt cold. So try to get these words which describe the weather. Okay. Exercise D. Make sentences with these adjectives. Now children, here adjectives are given and you have to make sentences, and in those sentences these adjectives should come. First, careful. Raju is a careful driver. So like this you have to frame the sentences where the adjective should come. Second, clever. Yes, the crow was clever. The fox was clever. Rani is a clever girl. So like this, you can frame your own sentences. Page number 42, exercise E. Look at this picture and write at least 5 sentences using appropriate adjectives in each sentence. Children, observe this picture carefully and frame your own sentences using the adjectives. For example, I have framed a sentence. A boy is eating a pink ice cream. So here I have used an adjective pink. So like this, try to frame your own sentences. Observe the picture. Okay. Exercise F. Write a story about Phoebe the cat using your own adjectives to complete these sentences. Children, here 10 sentences are given and it is about the cat Phoebe. The spelling is Phoebe, but its pronunciation is Phoebe. So, Phoebe is a dash cat. Now here you have to write your own adjectives. I have used cute cat. Phoebe is a cute cat. You can also write Phoebe is a grey cat. So, like this, use your adjectives and fill these sentences. Exercise G. Write about your animal that you own or one you wish you had owned. Use as many adjectives to describe your pet. Underline all the adjectives in your story. Draw a picture of your pet in your notebook. Now children, here you have to write a short passage about your pet and you have to use as many adjectives to describe your pet. For example, I owned a brown puppy. It has sharp teeth. Now here I have used the words brown and sharp. These are adjectives which describe my pet. So here in your notebook you have to draw the picture of your pet also, and you have to write about your pet using the adjectives. Okay. And now children, we are ending our session here only, and in our next video we will discuss about the order of adjectives. Okay. I will be sending you the notes of these exercises. Till then, bye bye. Good day. Take care.